recording?
Yeah.
Welcome back, boys. Something slightly different, what we're going to chuck in the mix on this video. You probably wasn't expecting this. Same again, clean clothes. And we've got Lucy in the mix.
Hi.
So, it's Sunday, and we're going to a car meet, or car show. What was it? Italian Cars and Coffee.
Is it not a mega meet?
No, it's not a Super Sunday mega meet. So it's an Italian Cars and Coffee, so there's going to be like a lot of Alphas there. Hopefully some Ferraris and Lambos.
Yeah.
So we're going in the Mazda, but we've got a surprise guest coming with us, boys. I've actually had to ask him if he's allowed to play out, haven't we?
Yeah.
So Marky Boy's coming.
Marcus.
So we're just on our way to pick up Marky Boy now, and yeah, we'll see you when we're there, boys.
Bye.
I'm gonna go into this mix. It's Cars and Coffee. I need a coffee.
He does. Low on caffeine.
And just like that, we've got Marky Boy with us. Hey, Marky Boy, what you gonna say to your peeps?
Oh, we're going to have a fantastic Italiana day.
Mamma mia, Italiano.
Are we getting Italian for dinner?
Oh, yeah, we could do actually, yeah.
We'll get some pasta.
No, but Marky Boy don't like pasta.
I don't mind pasta.
Oh, do you not? Marky Boy, you should have brought your punto. Marky Boy, you all know Marky Boy's got a punto.
Nothing wrong with puntos. Puntos are good
I said, Marcus, bring punto. He said, nah, can't do that. You've not been in this yet, have you?
No, it's the first time I've been in it.
What do you reckon? It's
Yeah.
alright, isn't it? I like that. I do like the interior on these. I wonder if there's another one though. If there is, I won't be happy. It sounds good. So, what do you reckon is going to be the best car there? It's going to be a few Ferraris, isn't it?
I think you'll be up there, but there might be a Testarossa.
There'll be some classic Alphas. There might be another Junior.
Yeah.
We've got a Junior, boys.
There'll be. I won't be surprised. You won't be surprised if Mick's there with his Fiat Strada with V6 engine in it.
Oh yeah, that'd be nice.
With Alfa Romeo V6 32 valve in it, and it's a car and a half. Is that?
To be honest, the classics always get more attention.
Yeah, they do.
So we're going to head over there now. Do you want something to eat or not?
We'll get some later on, whatever you want to do. I'm alright.
Oh, there's food there, you know. We'll just go straight there.
Yeah.
Right,
yeah.
we'll do that.
But like I said, there'll be loads.
Look, when you carry on speaking, you can keep talking.
There'll be loads.
Whoa! Marky Boy! Go on, say there'll be loads again.
That sound is awesome. It is.
Does it feel quite fast?
It is fast.
It is quite fast, isn't it? So what do you think then? Do you like it?
Yes, I do. Anything Italian. Anything Italian, he's beautiful.
I was born in Italy, you know.
I was born in Italy.
Oh, what's that?
I was born in Ireland, but that doesn't make any difference.
Was you actually?
No, families come from Ireland. Generation comes from Ireland.
Well, I'm not going to keep putting foot down because it's costing a bit on fuel, isn't it? Whoa!
Oh, the camera's moved.
Oh, is it? Oh, it's gone straight on me. It's gone again. Right, we'll meet you there, boys. See you in a bit. Right.
Right, everybody.
We're arriving at the Bobbin Mill.
Yes.
I hope there's a lot of people here.
Right.
It doesn't look like anyone's here, Marcus.
Oh dear. Let's have a look. Can't believe it.
What? That can't be right.
You sure it starts at 10:30?
Yeah.
Well, we'll go and get some food.
I mean, where the hell is everyone? What?
They've blocked that place
Wait, what's
off.
this? Say. What? Right. Let me check this then. Hey.
Right, there we go.
Right, we're at the where are we?
Green, aren't we? It's green.
Right, basically, we went to this Italian car meet and there were no one there.
Yeah.
So we've ended up bottling it and we've gone to this like steam fair. Where is it? Blackpool?
Yes, it's
Cleveleys.
Between Cleveleys and
Cleveleys.
Blackpool, isn't it? It's right between.
So
them.
we're going to have a quick gander. There's a few classics over here. But Marcus were absolutely buzzing. What were you buzzing about, Marcus?
The Maserati.
No, what's behind you? The pink bouncy castle, Marcus. I'm going to give Marcus a tenner and he's got to go on it. So we're going to have a look at some of the... Look at all these bad boys here. Model T. tell you what, there's some old stuff here.
Look at that. For a truck.
Yeah.
American school bus.
So that big, what's that yellow one? Is that like a Pontiac?
That is another Mopar.
Yeah.
That is a Plymouth.
Oh, is that a
Or
Plymouth?
it could be a Plymouth or a Dodge. I think it could be a Plymouth.
Stingray. Oh no, is it Stingray? What's the
It's
one?
Corvette Stingray, yes.
Yeah, Stingray, yeah.
And it is a Plymouth. Another Mopar car.
Yeah. We've got a bit of a surprise coming soon, haven't we, Marky?
Yes, we have.
We can't tell them what it is, though, can we?
No.
It's American.
You'll have to wait and see.
It's American and it's 1969.
Yes. And it's as big as that is.
Bloody hell, it is a beast, isn't it, that? Jesus Christ.
It's a
Imagine if it was
440.
electric.
That's a 440 ME in that. That's the big engine.
I can't sleep.
6-barrel.
Bloody hell, it is a beast, isn't it?
Roadrunner. You see Roadrunner outside that wing? And there's, I used to have one of these.
What is it? Oh,
It's
MG.
an MG. Mine were a Morgan replica.
Look at that green one there.
That's a Cadillac. Coupe de Ville.
Jesus. It's like a spaceship.
2-door. They're bigger.
Lights.
You see the length of that?
Bloody hell.
It's a beautiful car. Beautiful car.
What engine's in that? Be a V8.
7.6 litre.
Is it? Jesus. Oh, there we go. Lucy, your new car.
Which one? Red one.
What do you mean, which one? That bad boy there.
The red one.
No, the green one.
No, I want the red.
Oh, Cortina.
Yeah,
Oh, Hillman Imp. Is that your dad?
that's me dad.
Oh, Marcus's dad's here. We can't get your dad on camera, can we?
Yeah, don't mind at all. Well, we're supposed to
You
be going to
Marcus's
Italian
dad?
car meet. And he's doing a bit of
Right, look.
videoing, so he'll be on videoing again. Like we did for Bangers and
Marcus is
Cash.
YouTube famous, isn't he?
I'm sorry, I'm a bit deaf, I can't hear that.
Beast, isn't it, that?
Aye,
What is it? Humber.
Humber,
Bloody, that's an early one, isn't it?
1904. So you've got all them levers, and you've got your throttle and that is on them levers. There's your handbrake, there's your handbrake there, then you've got
Come
another
on.
lever for your gears, that's your 2-speed gearbox. Then you've got to watch the oil dripping in, you've got to pump that up because that's your fuel going into engine from that little see-through canister. Right, you've got your pedals, you usually work the other way. This one's brake, middle one's clutch, and that one's accelerator. And then you've got all that, there's a lot of things to do. To drive it,
I want to press the button.
It's like Marcus is like the little tour guide. Wow, what else, Marky boy? Look at these little
right,
buses.
as everybody likes a truck or a van, we've got a Leyland here, we've got an AWD Bedford, and then another
Oh, look at
Bedford,
Transit Mark 1s.
and then Transits. And all the 3 types they did, remember, if you look at the 3 of them, you've got,
Oh, the grills.
yes, that's a Mark 1, that's the 1.5, and then there's the bullnose, which was the diesel.
I've been to a lorry show with my dad when I was a kid.
Did you?
All of these lorries and vans were here. I'm wondering whether it's the same one.
They might
They
be.
had these Stobarts and they had the little thingies you could buy matching with the lorries.
Right.
Massive. Yeah, it's like a big
Look at that.
show.
Look at the size of that thing.
That's a Cadillac,
Again,
Jesus
spaceship.
Christ. That is big.
and that's the limo version they did. Yeah. If you think about presidents, that's the sort of car they have, but they haven't with roof that come off.
The little dog in the back of that one.
Jack Russell.
Oh.
It's a Rolls Royce.
Yeah, I remember these because I remember all the paintings on the side of them.
Scanias.
Fire truck.
Dennis the Menace, they call them. Albion. ERF. Now everybody likes it. James will remember this sort of era, won't you? As far back as you can remember.
Well, I'm not that old.
Oldest.
I'm not that old, Marky boy.
Whereas that's my like of era, like Atkinson's, ERFs, that sort of stuff. I think them
That's
trucks
your
were really
era,
bonnet.
established 1932. Right, a few more here. Early Bedford.
Interested in one of them.
What is that, Austin?
I can't remember the last time I've ever seen one.
What Austin is that? It's like a...
It's in Austin, England.
Yeah, but it's the same sort of style as the A30s, isn't it? Similar.
Similar earlier.
Tell you what, imagine breaking all these, there'd be some money in bits, wouldn't there? Jesus
Thames Trader, really rare.
Clean as well, that. Very clean. So this is actually
Open.
someone's collection, isn't it?
Yeah.
Full collection.
Another ERF, but really early. 1909.
That is early. So that's 130-year-old.
On that, to start it, you to wind it. You'd imagine the kick
That'll
and
break
force.
your arm, that.
You know, to try and
There, just swap
to,
them
well,
out.
yeah, to try and get that to run.
The size of the windscreen wiper. I ain't gonna got you through that.
That's quite a cool thing, I like that. What? Oh, the donkeys. Come on, you get on. Oh, army ones, Marky boy.
And you think your Maserati's bad on fuel?
Yeah.
How about 3 tick gallon?
Well, I bet that's what they do in some of these, isn't it? Austin Princess.
Yes.
Princess?
Oh, it's actually selling food. I think, is it?
No, it's a camper.
Oh, is it? I'm just obsessed with food, aren't I, Marcus?
We'll get you some food.
On the little mini
I
steamer.
used to watch it all the time.
I did, with Dastardly and Muttley. That's what that reminds me of.
Oh, there's another one.
And Penelope Pit Stop.
Yes, I used to love it.
Yeah, I did.
And Caveman.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's bringing back some memories. Look at that. How does that run, Marcus?
Yeah, it runs
Steam.
off steam.
Just off steam?
Yeah.
Good, isn't it? So there'll be like a little fire in that now, won't there?
Yeah.
Right, look at these motorbikes.
Oh, the seat.
Right, what's your favourite bike here, Marky boy?
Out of all the bikes.
Out of all the bikes, even Lucy's looking at the pizza van.
Yeah. Pizza. No, I like the Dastardly
that
and
Honda's
Muttley one.
She likes the Vespa. I would say the Honda, I like this one, the Honda 175.
I quite like BSAs, me. I've always been a BSA fan.
I don't mind the AGS, but it's really, I like the AGS as well.
Look at the engine on it.
That's quite nice.
Look at this one here, Marcus. Little engine on the back wheel there.
That's where they used to make they made push bikes into motorbikes. That started life as a push bike, and then they put that wheel on and made it into a motorbike. They actually fitted that wheel to a push bike. They altered the push bike and it becomes a motorbike.
Honda XL 125, that was my first ever motorbike.
That's a 100, but you had a 125.
I had a
of that, didn't you?
125, yeah. Honda XL, good bikes them. Unbelievable. Look at them ones over there, Marcus. The little scooters.
Scooters and everything with engines on them.
The guys are riding them over there, look. Electric ones as well.
There's more here. Got BSA.
BSA, I like them.
Thunderbolt.
That looks completely original as well.
650 Thunderbolt.
Jesus, look at
Aerial.
brakes. Big drums on him.
Royal Enfield. Early one. Not
Yamaha TY. I've had one of them as well.
170.
I had a 250.
I
The
used to go upfield.
TY80s, they're the ones.
That's what I used to ride up fields with.
Little only small though, aren't
Yeah.
they? I do like them TYs. Wanted parts for TY. We've had a couple of them TY 250s.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but we always had the TL, the Honda TL, you know, with a tank.
Yeah.
Sloping tank. Military one. Oh, let's look at that. Look at that. That's mint in it, that. Right, I'm just going to go and get a coffee. Look at these mini steam engines are mint.
You like them? Is it the first time you've seen them?
That's small, yeah. What's your favourite thing here, Marcus, so far? You dare say that Plymouth, you're going to get a left, right, good night.
I'll tell you what, out of everything here, I probably like that 59 Cadillac.
I knew you were going to say
Coupe
that. That's only because you couldn't say the Plymouth, innit?
No. I like the 59 Cadillac. I do.
Right, I'll get a caramel latte, I think.
Caramel latte.
Oh, this is not raining, is it? That's the main thing.
No.
So what do you reckon to the Italian car meet?
No comment.
No comment, yes, exactly.
Caramel latte and a normal latte,
Come on,
please.
what are you ordering right now? Unbelievable. We just had a burger and chips, and it was actually not bad, that.
I've got a nice latte.
With a sweetener for you, didn't you? A sweetener.
Yep.
I got a caramel latte.
Now he's going to tell you sweet enough. Yeah.
No, I wasn't actually, but I will say that. I don't need sugars because I'm already sweet enough. What engine is that?
Gardner.
5.5 litre?
Yeah. 71 horsepower at 79 RPM. Early Gardner truck. And you can run a generator off it, so you can get electric.
Yeah, so that's a diesel engine, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey! Good boy. These little mini ones. It's like a little fart machine, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got water in top to keep it cool.
Oh, yeah.
You see there's water and that keeps the Lister engine cool.
No way. So what would that have actually been used for?
They'd have been used...
Machining it?
Yeah, they would use it to drive a saw to cut wood off a belt. They'll use it for drilling, all sorts of machinery they could have done on a Ford.
So how much do you reckon that's worth there?
Probably about £500.
500? If it went
That's
more
all.
than that.
No, that's all. 5 to 8. Honestly, 5 to 800 pounds.
I'd have guessed at 1,500.
No, we don't.
that
They have to be bigger and better for that. That's a milk churn.
This is that it's life on a farm in Cleveleys.
Oh, so that's for mixing the milk.
1947, that's been made.
Yeah.
Hey,
So
man.
they do milk. So they do all sorts of stuff. Because that's a twin. That's like a motorbike engine.
Oh, I don't even think.
Flat 4.
So that little Norman.
No, flat 2. Flat 2 cylinder.
What about a flat chest cylinder?
Yeah.
Look at this one.
A Walton engine core.
That's a beast, isn't it?
Oh.
Look at that.
It's like a water pump.
That's creating electric.
That's looking like motorbike
No
engine.
way.
Full one.
My dad would like that. Look at that. He's lighting a light up. That's mint.
I'm doing a pump of water. It's pumping water around as well.
What's that running off though?
That's running off petrol in a little can.
petrol, right.
Little 2-stroke.
Yeah, yeah. Look at this one, Marcus. Water pump. Right, you're on YouTube. It's good, isn't it, that?
That's an old one. That's worth about £1,500.
No, right. This is what,
That's a Wolseley. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. It's good, isn't it? Where's it getting the water from?
Hot water, it's taking it.
Oh, it's just going round in a circle, isn't it? Right, I get you. Oh, yeah, it's good, isn't it, that? It's good, isn't it, that?
It is.
They're all doing different things, aren't they?
Yeah, you can do all sorts with them.
Yeah. Little smart rings. Look at the size of that one.
That is did it.
If you was a steam engine, Marcus, that's what you'd be.
Oh, is that right? Small and cute. He says I'm small and cute.
No, I said if Marcus was a steam engine, that's what it'd be. What's it doing, that one?
Oh, that's called sugar.
It's like a sewing machine.
Yeah.
What's it running off though, that? Air.
Oh, that.
It's running off air.
Yeah. And that little pump there is running the air.
Oh, for this one. But the belts how they crossed.
Yeah.
You'd think they'd wear out.
It's a trim if you trim it cheap. That's
You know,
what they
why
use.
wouldn't the belts wear out?
Because they're only just about touching each other, keep them level.
Why have they crossed them just to make more tension?
So it goes the right way instead of having to try.
Oh, I get you.
You know what I mean? Both them shoes have got to both run one way.
Right, yeah. Oh, yeah. These ones.
1915. Now these, the earlier they are, the more the...
But yeah, look at that. Look at the piston.
Well, does it once. Watch.
What, building up the
Watch
pressure?
that, Bill. Watch that. Can you see that valve? That's the valve.
Yeah.
Watch it. Watch it come over.
Oh, yeah.
There's one punch.
Look at the piston, though. How many times it's mint, that.
That's us pumping. That valve is all to do with that valve. Once that moves back, it'll do one more fire.
So is that
So
building up
fire.
the pressure?
It's only firing once every
Right, yeah.
every 10 turns.
No,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. So it's 5 to 6 turns.
Right, we're back at the Classics. Do a quick walk. That MG's a hill climb, innit?
Yeah, or Ford Capri.
I broke a few of them, you know. God, people have gone mad.
Or
if
a
they find out
Classic.
we
It's a
broke
Ford
them.
Classic in it, but it's same as Capri.
What's that? Is that a Singer?
That's a Zinger, yeah.
Root
Which I've
screw.
just broke.
Root screw, aren't they, them? Oh, Morris Minor, bloody hell, we've killed a few of them, Marcus, haven't we?
Just
If
a
people
few.
found out who you was right now, they'd absolutely go stick at you.
Omen
Marky
Avenger.
had many of them.
They're a good car then.
Yeah, they are.
Hey, show the people which band's my favourite.
Which van? Oh, yeah.
We need to be going and doing to the Eco 5 pit, so
Oh,
taking a good scan of them.
oh, yeah, we will do actually, yeah.
No, why? What's he saying
Seco
now?
van. Lucy's favourite there. What did she say? Oh, the
All
fire
right,
pit,
nice
she
to
was
meet
from
you.
there. From the fire pit place. Oh, Marky's getting all the birds.
I'm leaving him to it.
Hey, Marky boy.
We're just looking at classics.
Hello, Marky.
Yeah. Another famous car, Daimler Dart.
isn't it?
Or
They're like
Daimler,
Jaguar,
sorry,
aren't
not Daimler Dart, Daimler.
Well, that's like
They
a
do
Jaguar
with
thing, isn't
V8. They had the flight, ME added V8. Then you got console. Ford
I had one of them.
console.
I used to have one of them. Mark II, that, isn't it?
Austin
Is it
7.
Is it Mark II console?
Mine might be Mark 2, yeah. Ford Cortina.
Cortina, I do like the Cortinas, I got to admit.
It's left-hand drive, so probably that's
don't
why
like
it's good
lefties, do they?
condition. And it's a 2-door, and it's a GT.
GT 1500, is it?
Yep. Look at them dash dials. Rare.
I like the wheels. Smart,
Banded
that.
wheels, but look at them dash dials.
Yeah, that's what you want. Shame it's steering wheels on the wrong side.
And then you got another
Minor.
Moggy Traveller, which I've just got hold of some doors for.
How many of them have you killed?
50.
No, see, we don't like talking about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're actually the classic car murderer, Marcus. And everyone's like,
No,
loving you.
but when I murder, I'm bringing other cars back to life.
You just keep
So-
telling yourself that.
Well, I do. I'm keeping other cars on the road.
Right, look at that, Bob.
And then we've got Cadillacs, 2 of them.
Jesus. Should we see if we can pop
57.
that? Beast, isn't that?
One a limo.
Tell you what, they don't make cars like that anymore, do they? Look at the bumpers. I mean, imagine trying to make that bumper now.
Cost you a fortune.
That car, you couldn't build that now, could you? It
then
cost
you-
too much money.
And they were a cracking car.
So you've got the Talbot
Yep, Talbot.
and the Cadillac. That Cadillac's a beast, I do like that.
You like the 57s, do you?
I do like this.
The Ritz Special.
It's just big, isn't it?
Not big, I don't know.
It's like a sofa, yeah.
If you like that, you'll like mine then. If you like that.
Ah, yours might be all talk, you know. You might not even have
No,
one.
you've meant when we go up
Yeah,
into
yeah.
the car. What did he say about my car?
Yeah, he did say it was clean. That's nice, isn't it?
I like the colour of that.
Look at the wing.
It's the longest American car they ever did.
Was it?
The 59.
I don't want to park that in after car park.
No.
Can you imagine trying to park that in London? What's this here? Oh,
Wolseley 12.
I had an Austin 7 Ruby. Oh, there's an Austin 7.
P4.
I had one. I had a big 7 though.
Did you? That's
I had
rare.
a big 7 with 4 doors.
Over 100, which are rare now.
100 P4. We broke a few of them. Yeah, I had one of these.
It's black.
An Austin
Black,
7.
a big 7, yeah.
Well, the big 7's rarer.
1932, I think it was.
These look like little doors.
This is a Ruby in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. With the exhaust. Big bore exhaust on it. Massive. It's like a little pea shooter, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Marky boy, you like that exhaust on that Austin. You put your wolf in it. Right, whose is this car, Marcus?
This is my dad's.
This is Marcus's
Simca.
dad's. So you've basically done that up, haven't
I've
you?
done that up, and it's. I can't say at the moment, but you'll know when it's on TV.
Yeah, so yeah, Marky boy, he's got a star appearance, haven't you?
Yes, I have.
On a
I
TV
can't say
show.
anything at the moment, but I'm on TV with this.
Oh yeah, guess what Marky boy's got? The closest thing to having a Ferrari. Let's see. He's got his Ferrari shoes on. And how fast can you run in them?
Faster than you.
Oh, we still need to have a race actually, don't we?
Anyone can run faster than James.
Look at that good boy there. Good boy.
That's a rare car.
What is that?
It's Jewett.
That is nice, isn't it? I like that.
Jewett Jupiter. Ooh, rare car.
Nice that.
They are
What the hell?
quite
It's like the what?
rare. I know.
Where's the bonnet split? Is it all one?
It's all one.
Oh
It
yeah.
all
Hinged
lifts
on the
up.
front, innit?
All lifts up.
No,
Like a TI's, not a TI, so like a Spitfire or.
Oh, Morris Minor, you've killed a few of them. Triumph Mayflower. So killed a few of them as well.
Well, I haven't, but you have.
Oh yeah, I've killed a few, yeah. Got Moggies.
Now, another Moggy. What's that?
That, is it a Rover?
Yes, it is. A very early Rover.
P40?
Nope.
I don't even know what it is. Early one. Look at the light in the middle.
That's what I mean. Very early.
Why have they got that in the middle?
That's what they did as a prototype to the.
Is that for me driving to Europe? Was it? Are they yellow? I bet they're yellow. They'll be for driving to Europe.
That's the
That engine.
Bristol.
What's that, straight 6?
Bristol, 2 litre Bristol. It's big money. 400 grand.
What this? Jesus.
Another rare car, Citroen. Front wheel drive, that car.
Is it? Oh, yeah.
An MG GTF. Then another Moggy. Roots Group, last of the Roots. Singer.
That
Morris.
Rolls Royce.
Jag.
For
S-Type
sale.
Jag.
Rolls Royce for sale.
Triumph Herald.
Oh no. What? Oh,
Rolls
that's not
Royce,
even
yeah.
that. You alright?
He's got a more sauces for sale.
Oh yes, sweets. What are you doing, you? Right, give me one of them. Do you want a sweet, Marcus?
No, it's full of sugar, no, thanks.
Oh yeah. Are you trying to kill Marcus?
Some fruit.
I'm trying to kill him. Give me some more. What are you doing? No, see, I got a snake in my boot.
I've got a snake in my boot.
You got a snake on your head. Give me one of them. What's that?
Oh, let me have that one. That's mine. No!
Let me have a bite.
Don't. She'll eat it all. Like marshmallow.
That's a beast, isn't it?
Roadrunner. You'll like back wheels up for fun.
Yeah, it will. That will be fast, won't it?
Have you seen air filter on it? Look at the size of the air filter. Have a look through it, bonnet with your scoop and look at the size of that.
Very high, yeah.
Look at your number plate. Got Roadrunner on it.
That's what they called it, Plymouth Roadrunner. It's called the Roadrunner.
Did you ever watch that, Marcus, as well?
Yes, I used to watch that a lot. Yeti
Oh, look at
and
this,
all.
Marcus, V8.
A V8.
Oh, did they call them
MG.
Tiger? V8 Tiger? No.
No, MG V8. They call it
So is that the
MG
Rover
GT V8. They did actually do a roadster version, but not many. But they had the plastic bumpers and everything. It was one of the last ones.
What V8 is it though? It's not a Rover.
3.5 litre.
What is it? Is it a
It's
Rover?
a Rover engine, ST1.
Clean, isn't it?
It's the same as what I've got in that P6 that we're selling.
Very nice.
I've fixed a couple of these. I've got 2 guys in Orwood who have these, and I've repaired them for them, got them back on the road.
That's a beast.
One's blue and one's cream.
Green or cream?
Cream.
What is it? Green.
Cream. I've done a couple of them up. They're 7.6 litres.
But it sounds good.
They sound well. They're not really fast, and they're not the nicest thing to drive on the road, but they look.
It's got that look though, haven't
Yeah,
it?
they
It
have,
actually
they've got-
looks like a Stingray.
Yeah. Yeah. But
Stop
out
being
of all
sweet.
the Stingrays, I like the earlier one. I like the 50s and 60s Stingrays. They're the best ones because the looks alone just makes you shake. But yeah.
It's like we've took her out on a day out, isn't it, Marcus? We've come here to look at these nice little vehicles.
Right.
Give me some more sweets. I think you've had too many of them, you. Give me one. Oh, look at that. Look at that, Kenny.
Another early Land
What
Rover.
we're waiting for.
Oh, there's a tractor there for you. Little one. There's some money in tractors, isn't there, really, when you think about it?
There's one of Massey Ferguson's best ever tractors, the 135. Cracking little
To be honest, I don't know much about tractors, mate.
I do a bit. That would have been on a fairground because of all the brass.
Yeah, yeah.
All the clean brass fitted to it.
Do you want me to get a picture, yeah? Harold. That's nice. God, look at the size of the back wheel. Jesus. That must be 7 foot.
Blackpool as well.
Over 7 foot.
Go stand next to the wheel. You're only 5 foot, so.
Get lost. I'm 6.5.
You're 5 foot, so that's probably about 8 foot.
I'm 5'10". That's definitely
5'9" on a good day.
7 foot.
That's what I am, 5'9".
I'm 5'10".
You're
What are you?
5'9".
I'm 5'9".
Stand next to
Yeah, I'm slightly taller than Marcus.
Yeah, you're on a hill.
Yeah, and on my tiptoes.
You're on a hill.
Are you 5'9"? Oh, well, I'm 5'11" then. Oh my God, yeah, it's nice. I like that one.
Founders Limited. Sandbach, England.
You can hear it popping away, can't you?
I wouldn't like to know how much that weighs.
Well,
Wooden brake.
I'm very accurate.
Wooden
I'm very accurate with my weights, aren't I? So I would
Yeah,
say.
you were better than me. I thought 30 tonne.
I know. I would say that weighs 18 ton. That one.
18.
18, yeah. Don't get me wrong, Marcus. That's a lot of weight. God, if it just burst on me, then blew up on me. Right, me and Marcus, we've just had a mini competition on Guess the weight. We did a guess the weight, didn't we?
Yes, we did. And he's won.
On the steam engine behind us.
Because I thought they were
I guessed 18 tonne. What did you guess?
What did I say?
30.
30 tonne, yeah.
30. What did the guy say?
18.
Bang on, mate. Bang on. It's a shame I never guessed the weights right at work, though.
Welcome back, everybody.
No, this is the end.
I hope you've enjoyed what we've shown you as what we've seen, and it's been a good day and weather's holding up for us.
I'll be honest though, we wasn't even meant to come here.
Nope.
I was meant to go to an Italian supercar meet. Marcus wore his Ferrari t-shirt and his Ferrari shoes. We got there and there was no one there. We ended up finding out that there was only 10 people going. I thought it was a big event because they had Ferraris on the thing, but it wasn't. So we ended up bottling it and coming to this Steam Fair.
Steam Fair.
Classic car show in Cleveleys.
Yeah.
I tell you what, it's been alright.
It has. It has.
You may have noticed that moi
Can't take him anywhere.
made a bit of a mess here. Someone put a can of Coke in my pocket upside down, open. I'm not going to say any names. Also, Marky Boy's had his ASS whooped on Guess the Weight here.
Yes,
Guess the weight of the steam engine.
Yes, I did.
Marky Boy cracked a 30 tonner out on a 6 tonner. Didn't you?
Yeah.
You did.
Yeah.
8 tonner.
Oh yeah, 8 tonner. And then there was a bigger one. I said 18 tonne and Marky said 30.
It must be 30 tonne.
You went for 30 again though, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
What was it? 18. On the dot. So stop recording, dogs. That's all she's done all day. So we hope you've enjoyed this video.
Yep.
We've had a special guest, Lucy, in the video, in the mix again. In fact, you was the special guest.
Well, I'm
None of us were meant to be doing this today. It's
No,
just
but
random.
we've done it.
So hope you enjoyed the video.
and enjoyed it like we have. See you soon.
See you soon, boys.